Hey, what's up? It's Lainey. This is day 17. And I just got today is day 18. I am getting my days wrong. Anyways, I actually just wanted to not really have a discussion today. I wanted to just say that dang, freaking working hard. Yeah, working hard is good. But at the same time, it's like, dang, I was really, really, really surprised because I made it this far, and it's like, damn, I am killing it, yo, literally killing it. And I know everyone is too, but I just gotta say that, like, kudos to those who work freaking hard, man. Who work freaking hard to get everything that they deserve. And it's like, yeah, if you really want something, do it. Like, work hard for it. And I'm like, geez, being a king, or like a so-called king from the past life, is actually nothing compared to earning it. So like, earning it is like literally, how can I say, it's more rewarding. Honestly, I feel like it's more rewarding to earn something rather than winning something all the time. And I don't know why, like, other people have their own opinion, but for me, it's like, when you earn something, it's like, oh yeah, I put my blood, sweat, and tears for this shit, you know? And it's like, no one can take this shit away from me because I fucking earned it. Oh, excuse my language. But anyways, today's discussion is not necessarily on things that I freaking think logically. Honestly, I know like my past videos was mostly on the logical aspect, but actually today is more of like something that's sort of not really through what I logically think. And it's like, I was so glad today that my sister thought of me. She sent me a message and just like literally told me that, or like she literally encouraged me that I'm doing a good job, yo, and she's actually proud. She messaged me today. She sent me one of this very cute video on, I don't know, something to uplift me somehow. And like, I miss her. You know what I mean? I miss my sister. I love her. Like, she's in South Carolina right now, but like, to be honest, me and her connect on so many levels, you know what I mean? And it's like, damn, I really miss that connection. Anyways, I just wanted to say that kudos to everyone who's working hard. And I don't think that you need to work as hard to like literally break your back for something, you know what I mean? And I feel like, fuck, maybe there needs to be a change in the way we actually earn money, because I feel like everyone's just like working too hard, you know? So I feel like it's a good balance to work hard, but at the same time be rewarded for things that you work hard for, you know what I mean? And not have to look for another fucking side hustle just to get by. So it's like, you know, I'm like experiencing these things, and it's like, damn, it's like very, very different from what I'm used to in the past life. And I just gotta say, even though I'm drained as fuck, I'm so glad to have to get the chance to just socialize with people, and like, you know, everyone's so freaking nice and offering me a lot of things, and I'm like, wow, this is great, you know what I mean? This is awesome. And yeah, I just feel like we're going somewhere, yo. We are going somewhere. So anyways, right now, it's like, I don't know, my way of thinking is slowly changing, in a sense where it's like, I like can't even explain in words, but I feel like if you're like in that seventh dimension, and it's like you're very spiritual, well, you're very spiritually connected within yourself. It's like on another level if you could actually spiritually connect with everyone around you. So it's like, hey, it's a work in progress, but I feel like we'll get there somehow. And it feels good to be loved and to be acknowledged. It feels good to be loved and to acknowledge and to be acknowledged, and to actually do the same, to love others and to acknowledge others for their hard work. And it's like, makes you think not really about yourself a lot for once, but you know what I mean? But at the same time, you need to make sure you're taking care of yourself as well. So it's like, yeah, you know what I mean? This is a good change in the right positive direction. So today's stone, even though I'm like super tired as fuck, like, I mean, I have the energy to like pretty much make a video right now, because I just felt so many things today that it was very, very, very weird. But at the same time, you know what I mean? It's like, fuck, I'd rather have it through me than like pretend it's not there. But it's fucking there. It's there, yo. It's there, and it's a lot. And even though I'm like so like caught up with my own strength, man, sometimes the barriers just gotta come down, you know? So today, it's gonna be the heart chakra. Today is a heart chakra because definitely it was felt a lot today. And that was weird, but at the same time, very exciting. It's weird, like, it's weird how good it feels, even though you have a lot of barriers around you. But like this heart chakra literally opens up a lot within your body. Like, it doesn't just open up your heart in a good way, like you could feel it through your body. And it's like, basically, it's, I don't know how to explain it, but every negative emotion that you have and every bad thing that's happening in your life is going to dissolve once you open up your heart chakra. So anyways, I'm going to explain the heart chakra, and it is the green aventurine, and I am wearing sort of green right now, which actually matches. It matches because, oh my gosh, I didn't even think about it, but it just literally popped up that I freaking wore this thing. So I don't know if it's universally connected, but I guess it is today. So the heart chakra, literally opening up in a very, very huge way. This is the crystal right now, the stone. Green aventurine, I love you, sister. I love you so much, and I miss you. And I miss my family, you know what I mean? I miss my old friends, but I feel like I'm very open to meeting people and like hanging out and stuff, because I used to be very closed in and literally have so many barriers around me, and like like literally feels good to actually have some of these barriers just go down. And I highly suggest this if you know what I mean, if you're opening up, you know, I just gotta say, you're opening up, and it feels like you're more creative when you actually open up your heart chakra. You're like very much more creative, and I feel like all of these things just come so naturally. So, heart chakra, green aventurine. And it looks like this. Yes, looks like this. So, like we mentioned before, to trust yourself is to open up and slowly trust others, because honestly I'm slowly opening up the trust. You know, there's only a few people, except a lot more, that I really trust right now. But honestly, if you open up your heart chakra, you're gonna learn to trust a lot of things in life. And so that comes with compassion and healing. Yeah, so right now, since we're all healing and I'm healing, I feel like the heart chakra is the best thing that you could ever heal. With all the other chakras in your body, I feel like the heart chakra is the most important thing that you need to heal, especially within your body, because I feel like a lot of things will open up for you more if you open up your heart. So, let me explain this. Yes, I've been writing a lot of stuff lately, and I don't know why. Maybe I've just like been a lot more inspired about stuff. But anyways, to continue, it's the green aventurine, which is sort of located right here with your chest. Yes, promotes love, and then it's enhancing your luck. It's funny how I mentioned lucky today. I mentioned lucky a lot today, lol. So enhancing luck, it builds your self-confidence, and then also like it releases your emotional stress. This has to do with a lot of healing within yourself, and then relationships to you will actually open up more. So as you do open up your heart chakra, you'll be very much like a sponge to wealth and prosperity. So yeah, the process of knowing yourself, the process of healing takes a lot of barriers to cross, but once your heart chakra actually touches the finish line, you could feel your barriers slowly coming down, and it's like the best feeling ever, honestly. To have your heart chakra open up immensely will bring a lot of joy. Honestly, it brings a lot of joy. It brings a lot of joy in life, and it's like there's no words to explain, honestly. The true self comes out, your authentic being, and then you just open up your heart, and it's like, bam. You feel a wealth of prosperity within yourself, and it's like it radiates exterior, like in the exterior sense. So I literally highly recommend this within the process of healing. So yeah, that's all I gotta say for today. I am pretty much mixing the white and black still. I mean, I still have my shadow part within, and I feel like everyone should. Like, it shouldn't be ignored. But it's a really good feeling to actually feel that, like, burst of light when you actually need it. So, like, the heart chakra. the heart chakra. That's all I gotta say for today. I am sort of tired from work, but literally I am going to jam out. Jamming out with that guitar, yo. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to play guitar lying down because I don't know, it feels good. And plus, I think my head seems clear every time when it's lying down. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it works out. Anyways, let's see how this goes. One sec. Whoa, I just thought about something really rad and that freaking rang. What the hell? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's try this one more time. I am so tired, but I'm gonna play this guitar. I'm doing this with my eyes closed. This doesn't mean I'm lazy, by the way. I'm just super tired. Okay, let's stop messing around. liner, dude. I was gonna put lyrics to this, but that's gonna come later. She said to get out there, so like, I'm gonna try, possibly. My mind just has to shut up more because obviously it's so logical that it's like literally overthrowing every lovable aspect of myself, because I'm normally that happy-go-lucky person. But like sometimes, you know, your logical mind is like your mother, except sometimes you have to tell mother that you'll be back someday. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go take a trip to La La Land and see where it goes, possibly. Possibly. No, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. Sometimes life gives you lemons, but I'm gonna be the one with the blender and the ice and the fucking lemons combined. And then shit, I'm probably gonna put a whole bottle of beer in there too. Just to live a little. Okay, I'm signing off for now. Okay, I'm tired. Bye. Peace. Right.